You probably already know that IXL helps you personalize learning for your students. But did you also know that it can be a great tool for whole class instruction? With thousands of skills on IXL, you can easily find one that supports the lesson you're teaching today. And each IXL skill can help you model new concepts for your class. Let's walk through an example lesson together so you can see how this would work. Let's say you're working with your 8th grade class on graphing a line from an equation. First, find a skill that matches this objective. You can do this by scanning the page for your grade level, by using the search bar, or by using a skill plan. For this lesson, you might look at the category Linear Equations and choose the 8th grade skill, Graph a line from an equation in slope-intercept form. Before you use this skill to kick off your lesson, assign it to your students using the Suggested Skills feature. Just look for the star to the left of the skill name. This will make it easy for students to find the skill when you release them to work independently later on. For your whole class lesson, employ an inquiry-based approach. Project the skill in your classroom and have students work together to answer the first question. Then, answer the question incorrectly on purpose so that you can see the step-by-step explanation, and walk through that explanation as a class. Draw students' attention to the key concepts in the Remember box, and talk through each step to solve the problem. After that, answer a few more questions as a class or in small groups. Next, help students cement what they've learned with individual practice. Have each student work on the skill on their own, either in class or for homework. Set a SMART score goal of 80, which indicates proficiency, and encourage students to strive for 100, mastery, if they feel ready. Finally, use IXL Analytics to check for assignment completion and understanding. Because you assign the skill to your whole class, the Skill Analysis Report is a great one to use. It gives you overall stats on class performance and even groups your students by the level of difficulty they're working at within the skill, which can be very useful if you want to do any small group reteaching. For a deeper analysis of student progress, hover your mouse over each student's name to get additional details. Keep an eye out for students who have a trouble spot. They may need additional support or practice with foundational skills. Want more strategies like these? Visit IXL's Teacher Resources page at ixl.com/resources.